This is Bobby from the Vespasian Warner Public Library, and I'm here with another tale from the archive where we talk about objects and documents in our local history collection. Today we're going to be talking about the collection of William Millhorn Jr. William worked at the Revere plant here in Clinton, though he lived in Argenta, and we recently uncovered a box of his artifacts that I thought were very interesting. Some of them included all the correspondence he saved from the 60s and 70s from when he worked at Revere. This one talks about the labor dispute they were having in 1978, just a little bit of interesting labor history. There was this set, which I had not seen before. It's actually a cream and sugar set made from stainless steel that was made at Revere. And the Revere Corporation showed their gratitude to long-term workers by giving them pins. So we have William's pin from his 5th, his 10th, and his 15th anniversary at Revere. But what I really enjoyed from this collection were the birthday cards. Apparently the Revere Corporation sent birthday cards to their employees every year, and I just love them. They have interesting artwork, a little bit of history, either American history or Revere Ware history, and then they're signed by the person in charge of the plant here in town. And William saved all of them. And I just thought that was really interesting and fun little bit of trivia. So thank you for joining me from this tale from the archive, and I hope to see you soon.